What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? It's your guy, Mr. DCYOP. I'm just talking my shit. Yeah, like I said, y'all, I'm just talking my shit. I'm a little off schedule as of lately because I've been, all over the place with my job and, family stuff, so on and so forth. So I don't even know what day I'm gonna drop this one, but let me just tell y'all what I've been up to. All right, so as you can see, I haven't been to the goddamn barber. I look terrible, but hey, you can't be on point all the time, life kicks in. But anyways, now this is uncharted territory for me, yo. I ain't never ever think I was going ever go this route. Okay, for years people been asking me, yo, you should make some jeans, you should make some jeans, you should make some jeans. I'm like, nah, I don't make jeans. That's not what I do. I don't design jeans. You know what I'm saying? Because I wear Levi's. I love Levi's. I've been wearing Levi's the majority of my life. That's the standard fit I like. And that's what I've been rocking. But that's just me being selfish. And that's just me being scared to dive into uncharted territory. But I recently bought a pair of jeans that I think feel amazing. All right, so I like the style, I like the fit. So what I'm gonna do is, well, I've already done it. I've designed my own pair of restricted jeans. Now, I didn't go too heavy into the design right now because it's gonna be my first pair, y'all. All right, so I designed a black pair, and I'm gonna show y'all that. I'm going to show you all the design that I came up with in a few, but I just want to break it down. I created like a little tech pack for myself in case I want to get them manufactured, or I don't know if I'm just going or if I'm just going to make them in-house myself. I'm just, like I said, it's uncharted territory for me, so I got to try to get some samples made and get some shit done up before I present it to the masses, because this is different. Not only that, I told y'all before, how, my mom want me to start, with these business cards and shit like that, and just start promoting that, I'm a creator. So in a minute, after I show you guys the jeans, I'm going to show you guys the little quick business card that I came up with all my credentials that I made via Vistaprint. That, I can, hand some to her so she can hand out to people that she knows in her community that need t-shirts made, or anybody that needs something, some shirts or hoodies or what have you made up for their school or business. But I'm not going to be promoting it heavy like that, because I told y'all that's not what I really want to be known for. All right. But we're going to get that. We're going to get to that in a minute too. Now, as far as, let's get back to these jeans though. As far as the jeans are concerned, I created that design via, my old school art software, the CADWorks Live. So I didn't go Adobe with that. CADWorks Live, it's faster for me. I'm used to it. So I just grabbed it blank and I threw some splatter on there, and I threw some like holes to where, when I actually do the jeans, where I want the rips to be at. So that's pretty much it. Now, I did all this goddamn talking, so let's get into the visuals, all right? Let's go. Yes. So here we go, guys. Here is the restricted jean tech pack that I came up with. Like I said, I did everything on the CADWorks Live software, powered by Stars. I sold you guys that software a million times. It's real easy to navigate through. If you're new to the channel, you don't know what that CAD works, live software is, just go through my videos and look for it. All right. So I pretty much broke down everything that I want to do with this particular pair of jeans. All right. So as you can see, the first picture is the back of the jeans. So I got my restricted logo on the left pocket and on the right pocket. All right, and down below at the ankles, where everything is tapered at, you can see that I'm going to be having red splatter painted on both legs and the back, and in the front I'm going to have white paint splatter down bottom next to the ankles as well. Now, as far as the front of the pants are concerned, you know, I put these little tears in there to pretty much show you guys where I'm going to be applying, you know, the distressed tears in the jeans via either myself, or if I submit this tech pack to a manufacturer, let them do it. Well, this particular style of jean, more than likely I'm going to be purchasing wholesale, and, you know, doing a couple of them myself just to get a feel, get comfortable with, you know, making them, and just pretty much see how they go from there. If it gets too overwhelming, at that time I'll make the decision to send them out, outsource them, or just get them, you know, made up from scratch from a manufacturer, either in China or Pakistan. Who knows? You know how that shit go, y'all. But yeah, so this particular style, you know, I'm gonna get made in either a 38 or 40 waist, 30 or 32 inseam, and make sure them joints is fitting dead right and flavorful. Nothing too, they ain't gonna be hella baggy. We don't need to know hella baggy jeans. They're gonna be tapered dead right. Everything gonna be nice and smooth. All right, I just can't wait to start the process. The leather patch on the back where the belt loop goes through, I'm thinking about putting the XXX back there. I'm not sure yet, guys. Like I said, I didn't go too crazy on this design. I just wanted to get something out there, trying to get a feel for it. We're gonna see how it go. All right, so like I said earlier, if you feeling this concept, you feeling this design, leave it in the comments. Let me know. We could talk about it. Let me know if you're feeling the red splatter on the back or the white splatter on the front. Let me know if I should have kept it all red splatter on the back and the front, or vice versa. White splatter down bottom in the front and the back. And this is not the one all be all. You know, in the future we can play with some different color splatters as well, if it even gets to that point. All right, but this is the concept. Feeling it, and hopefully everything comes out as planned, man. Like, I got high hopes for these jeans. Black, if I can get like a lighter color, I'll go that route as well, or like a darker, like blue. I think they'll look fire, and a dark blue denim as well. So what do you guys think? Should I put, instead of the restricted logo emblem on the back pocket, should I put the XXXs there, or what? Let's talk about it. You know, I take you guys' input. We family, right? Let's talk about it. But yeah, so everything is laid out. If you need help creating a tech pack, you know, hit me in a DM or hit my Patreon, and I can show you how to create a tech pack as well, if you got something you're trying to get manufactured or do yourself. But let's get right into my business card. Ain't nothing too crazy. I got the the company name, what I specialize in. I had to blur my number out because I don't want people blowing my phone up all day and all night like these manufacturers be doing me on WhatsApp, hitting me all wee hours in the morning and shit. So as you see, you know, I went with the restricted for these ones because, like I said, it's something new for me, and restricted is you know, my new brand. So I felt like, you know, that's the route, that's the lane I wanted to go in. So y'all know what to do, man. Always, you know, leave it in the comments down below if you're feeling these jeans. If you're not feeling them, let me know. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't never miss anything. And make sure you also sign up to my Patreon. And it's funny that I keep saying that, you know, I don't want to be known for, you know, I don't want to be known as the t-shirt guy and so on and so forth. But I actually help people via my Patreon with, you know, ideas for their brands and their logos. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just speaking, you know, more so on, you know, a local area, like from where I'm from. I don't want to be known per se as that. All right, but whatever. Let me know if you're feeling that new business card I made as well. And yo, just let me know if I'm tripping. Let me know if I'm tripping on that or not, or how you feel about it, or if you do the same thing that I do via, if you guys got your brands and you do other entities for other people on the side, or if you just completely, you know, just design and make, you know, t-shirts per se for, you know, your customers. You know, we can talk. Leave it in the comments, DM me or something like that. You know, let's get let's get a conversation going. You know, I'm good for a good conversation, and I'm good for, you know, constructive criticism as well. All right. Now, as far as like the price point for the jeans, I'm not even sure. You know, once they're complete, I'm not even sure yet what price point I want to have for them. Cause like I said, this is new. I'm just getting into this, but we'll get it all figured out. Sizing wise, I'm probably not gonna go beyond size 40. So just be aware of that. I ain't gonna be making no 44s, no 48s, nothing. I'm sorry, folks. Like all that big shit, man. Like that's too much material. It's getting crazy. And if y'all notice me, you know, every year, you know, your boy be slimming down. Like my weight be all over the place, fluctuating. So, you know, I ain't really into. I don't really have or rock, you know, big garments like that anymore. And if I do, I've already donated them. I've already donated. So much stuff is freaking unbelievable. But, you know, thanks for, you know, watching my video. That's pretty much all, you know, as of right now. That's all I've been up to. But, you know, once we start getting everything in, the materials or whatnot for the jeans, you know, I'll put y'all on. I'll show y'all, all right? But until next time, like I always say, I hope you working hard on your brands, because you know I am. And there's a lot of distractions out there, but keep the blinders on, all right? And stay away from negativity. And always keep yourself restricted. Skid it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.